The bridge of business, the A, the B, and the C. With time. So, how about the home list? Kuna list hiyo kuliko ba home list. Now the home list we bantu nga bakumanyi nga nawo obamanyi, but you're not so close. Have you ever been in the church and you know this lady and she knows you, but you smile and you move? You don't talk. Or have you ever been on the stage on the village and every morning I will text somebody in a taxi, you meet? Hey, hi, how are you? Town. Boat. Then you told what? Hey, hi, how are you? They are warm, bakumani, you know them, but you're not so close to them. They can be relatives. But they are not your close relatives. That kind of relationship with them. So they know you, you know them, but you're not so close. About home list. Can be your doctor, can be your service provider, can be your lady who akola kusaluni nga yakola enviri. Aizo kuba guy yakola pedicure wo, aizo kuba muzimbi wo, aizo kuba doctor wo. You know, those people, more money, but you don't have so much that relationship. It can be just a working relationship. We talk about co-workers, kumulimukola, mwena mu office mo beramu. Accountant, you are new. When you have office, you can greet them. They are warm people. They are not hot. They are warm. Clear? I will not approach here. Then we have about cold people. These are people who don't know you. You know them, but they don't know you. You need to introduce yourself first. For example, what do you talk about? No, like expand cha business. No one can. For example, Kathy brought a lady here. Yeah, chikazi. Ya chikazi. Ya sanga wa contact ya chikazi mu supermarket. Supermarket here, like product mu supermarket mu shelf. Na jacket number ya yomucha. Na mukubile simu. Now that is the cold call. Guys, mtakumanyi, introduce yourself and let it give us a testimony. Kathy, I'm approaching abuchi. Bulungi, the approach was good and the lady was receptive. Nalaba business Bulungi. She came on board. She advertised with us. So how do you approach cold list? Now, in the invitation, you need to learn how to do this. Now, I'm going to recommend you a book, another book. It's called GoPro, Eric Warren. GoPro. It's a book you're going to read to teach you how to do good invitations. How do you invite the hot list? How do you invite the warm list? How do you invite the cold list? 8 ways, 8 steps of a perfect invitation. 8 steps of a perfect invitation. Sija bisho mesa lwa lele. Mbawade assignment yamu. Mana hawa utagubili. How to win friends and influence people by Dale Carnegie. The second book is GoPro, Eric Warren. Kaja kuyigiriza how to invite. So teach